So here's a little stupid invention which I made, which is actually quite useful. You could see that basically I had a problem where this room that I'm in can sometimes get too hot or too cold, depending on what time of day it is, because there's a window there. And the thermostat for the air conditioner in this house is in the other room. So I have this vent right here, and this just blows out cold air whenever the air conditioner decides to. So basically I made this little cover for it out of paper. You could see that the paper is folded right here. That is so it stays rigid. And I have this clip right here, and I could clip it. And it has a magnet so it can stick to it and basically block the entire vent. And what that does is it prevents cold air from coming into this room so the room can warm up. And, well, what if it's gets hot and I want it to cool down? Well, I could simply just take this off, and then cool air blows in. It blows in unrestricted. And also, whether this is up or down, when the air conditioner is off, this thing goes down. So this also tells me whether the air conditioner is on or not. But here's another interesting thing, is that if I only want some air to come through, I could put this on backwards, and that weighs it down. So this is my medium level setting. So in total I have full blast air conditioning, medium level air conditioning, and I could shut it off entirely. Still just let some air go through the sides of it so we're not blocking the vent entirely. That was just an interesting idea that lets me control the air conditioning roughly from inside of this room. Just a little interesting idea. That's it.